What's up guys, it's 𝙈𝙧𝙚𝙧𝙚. We got some 𝙈𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙚 disposables. Let's get straight into it. These are their new 2G GUI disposables. So these are the newest to the market. Let's get straight into these bad boys. Firstly, we have the Pineapple Orange 2G. I've actually already opened this one. They have a QR code on the side and a scratch and verify. On the back, there's a little graphic of what you'll be smoking on. At the top, it says hybrid and it has the strain name. When you open it, a little graphic card on the back of the actual pineapple and orange has here, it says 𝙤𝙠𝙚 to the moon, boarding pass, terminal pineapple orange, boarding time 4:20, flight 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙚, gate 2G, and class first class. And it says right here at the bottom, scan to collect rewards. But I will let y'all know, I'm gonna redeem these, so don't even try. And then firstly, they have new packaging when you open up the box. Absolutely loving this packaging. Looks freaking beautiful. And then this is the device itself. I've actually smoked this whole device just because I did a Instagram review, USB-C charging. And then there's a button on the bottom, 5 clicks to turn it on and off. If you want to change mode, it's 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Don't know if they were listening to our last review, but I did mention to bring back the stickers in the boxes, and there's stickers in the new boxes, so that's absolutely sick. I love these stickers. Now let's get into the 2G 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙧 Grapefruit Slushy Sativa. Absolutely satisfying seal. Love it. The boxes also feel more premium. Like they just feel smooth. They feel textured on the text and stuff. It's actually really nice. On the back, we got the graphic. Got our little QR code. Another little rewards thing. It's crazy the quality they put into 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙧 because each one of those cards individually has to be made. It's like, that's insane to me. Another 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙧 sticker. I've never actually gotten this one, so that is absolutely awesome. We also got the 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙧 merch on. I have one of their merch pieces with this from one of our old videos. In that new premium packaging. Just rip this bad boy open. Slide this bad boy out. Take the little cap off. And then there's a little peel sticker right here. Super satisfying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks to turn it on. Tells you the strain on the back as well. I freaking love it. And then you got a nice clear open chamber. Nice old orange golden distillate. You can clearly see that. Cheers, y'all. Five-second hit. I forgot that it also counts you down. Pretty smooth. I can definitely taste the grapefruit taste. Super milky. Like I barely hit that thing. Now let's try it on the other mode. 1, 2, 3. Now there's a little green flame instead of a red flame. Let's get it. Oh wow, that's way more flavorful. I think the lower temp has way better flavor. Red is more vapor. I absolutely love these things. They're so freaking tiny. Like, look at that compared to my hand. I could fit like fucking 4 or 5. All right, let's get one more hit and we'll move on to the other ones. I don't want to take up too much time. Solid 10 out of 10. Great strain, great flavor, not too fruity, but it's also got a little herby. It's a very 50-50, I'd say. Next up, we got the Tropical Thunder. I started opening it because my high ass already forgot. Just goes to show 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙧 are some fire. But let's get straight into the box. We got Tropical Thunder 2G. It's an indica. Man, I just love these packaging. They even do different colors on this. Like, quality's insane. Even got the strain name on the back. Got our little redeemable. Same sticker. This one actually had an instruction peel and stick. It says 5 clicks to turn on and off, 3 clicks to change voltage, and 2 clicks to preheat. There's only 2, which is high voltage and low voltage. We already went over that. This one smells very fruity just right off the bat. Oh yeah, this got that nerd cluster feel, almost like an energy drink feel too. Super smooth and fat ass cloud too. 1, 2, 3, change the mode. Now we're on the lower wattage. That last one, almost on the back tastes like maybe a little bit burning of the terps. So like this lower voltage, I feel like is already gonna be better. Like I could just kind of taste it. For a lower wattage, that shit fucking hit me, man. It was also super satisfying as Ghost. Like, don't lie. I know you've seen that. God damn. Mad Lab's fucking hitting my ass. Nice golden distillate. All right, let's get on to the next one, y'all. This one's also a solid 10 out of 10. More fruity, tastes like a nerd cluster, almost has like a hint of energy drink too. We got a new Mad Lab sticker from the package. Am I redeemable? Packaging looking fire again. 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙚 is an indica as well. Take this cap off, peel the sticker. 5 clicks to turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get it, y'all. Ooh, the 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙚 is really earthy, y'all. I didn't smell no terpiness out of the box like the other ones. So 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙚 is definitely like the herbiest. Like definitely tastes like some nice natural herby bud. 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙚 is some straight freaking gas, y'all. Highly recommend. If you do not like the terpier strains, this is definitely the one for you. Let's change the wattage. 1, 2, 3. Now we're on red mode. So this one was the other way around. Just to end it off on a good way, I don't like to do blinkers because I know this is coil or postless, but it's not coilless. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure it is a mesh coil still, but I could be wrong. So I'm gonna do like an 8 to 9 second hit. All right. Cheers, y'all. I do not recommend doing that. Like, it tasted good, but it definitely burnt it a little bit. Like, if you want to keep your flavor, don't do that. Do like a 7 second. I went a little too far with the 9, all right? Mad Labs has some gas. They got fire merch. Hope y'all had a great one. Big shout out to Mad Labs. If you want to check them out, their Instagram's here. It's been 𝙈𝙬𝙧𝙚. Peace, y'all.